Welcome to Warwick Castle.
There's Warwick Castle! Yay!
Where we explore an exhibition to the 16th Earl of Warwick, Richard Neville, the main castle, which is now decorated as it was in Victorian times, and we climb a lot of stairs to get the most gorgeous view.
Hi all, it's me.
I'm Steve.
And today we're at Warwick Castle and I'm so excited because the history nerd in me is freaking out. I won't bore you with all the history, I can see my sister's eyes rolling right now. But Richard Neville, he was basically called the Kingmaker, and what he said went. He was more powerful than the king at certain points. So I'm so excited to be here. This is a bucket list item for me. Aren't you excited?
Yep.
Yeah, see that's the face of excitement.
Can't contain it.
So we'll show you around as much as we can, and I'll give you some history whether my sister likes it or not, because that's just who I am. There's Warwick Castle! Yay!
There was an Anglo-Saxon fortification on this site in 914, with fortifications instigated by Athelflaed, daughter of Alfred the Great. A motte-and-bailey castle was established in 1068 by William the Conqueror. Since then, it has undergone a lot of changes, but it has always been a seat of power in the Midlands. While there were many Earls of Warwick over the years, the most famous is Richard Neville the 16th. He was pivotal in Edward IV's being crowned King of England, and his daughters married Edward's brothers, one of which became Richard III.
Oh, that's so pretty.
I don't know.
Now I see why they sell replica swords. Oliver Cromwell's death mask. So those lines, let's see if I can find it there, up there. It's a secret door. Steve claims it's not very secret because he could see it. So this video says Queen Anne died in her bed at Kensington Palace. This bed was Queen Anne's bed when she died. Queen Elizabeth's handkerchief. I'm sorry, it's very hard to see. And Queen Elizabeth's saddle. Marie Antoinette's clock.
Yeah, how are you?
Pretty. Oh, beautiful window.
Now, everybody move your chair to the table.
This frame is amazing. Doesn't matter what portrait is in it, that frame is incredible. It's got cherubs down at the bottom too.
To witness the revolution and the rise of communism. Lord Brooke was a man that wanted adventure and believed war was a glorious thing, but this came to an end in 1928 when he passed away after years of physical and psychological suffering.
And she spent it all. And it's not there.
Should it be the lights behind?
Maybe.
So we're getting ready to go up Guy's Tower circa 1395. I can just imagine all of the previous Earl of Warwicks looking over their land, seeing if there were any battles headed their way, and maybe deciding where to go hunting. It's quite easy to just imagine what it was like back in the day.
Wearied, wounded, and with no more arrows to fire, the English fight like lions. The king's son, the Black Prince, unleashes troops.
How cute is that?